Greetings, citizens. We are anonymous. As part of the ongoing protest against Monsanto declared by Occupy Youngstown, we would like to present you with a list of products that, according to the Bycut app, are likely GMO-free, since that companies that produce them have not donated toward the campaign to block GMO labeling. A partial list of products that appear to be GMO-free in no particular order are 1. Nature's Way, 2. Bailey's Coffee Creamer, 3. Arizona Beverage Company, 4. Snapple Beverage Corporation, 5. Stash Premium Tea, 6. Starbucks Coffee, 7. Milton's Fine Foods, 8. Annie Chun's, 9. Barilla Pasta, 10. Bush's Best, 11. Minute Rice, 12. Fantastic Foods, 13. Celestial Seasonings, 14. Schwebel Baking Company, 15. Wassa North America, 16. Fair Oaks Farms Brands, 17. Lifestyle Evolution Inc., 18. Barbara's Bakery, 19. Tasty Bite, 20. Amy's Kitchen, 21. Dannon Yogurt, 22. Triple Leaf Tea, 23. Traditional Medicinals. Other products and companies will be reported as GMO-free as they are discovered. This list also appears in the description below. Knowledge is power.